With the latest version of Kali Linux, we have this problem. We can't see the mouse, but it works. Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to solve the mouse problem with the latest version of Kali Linux on VMware Workstation. If you want to solve this problem, power off your virtual machine, come to VM, come to manage, change hardware capability. Next, here is a hardware, select the latest version of VMware Workstation. It is 70.5 for VMware 17. Next, select alter this virtual machine. Next, finish, close. Again, power on virtual machine. Kali. Now we have installed the latest version of Kali Linux and we solved the mouse problem. I hope you enjoy from this video. Don't forget to like this video. Have a good time. See you soon.